stretch my skin. If you wanna survive with those beautiful eyes, you'll have to give in.
You got a boyfriend? Girlfriend? You ever had a girlfriend before? Very nice. What are you doing later? Guessing you got a king size, right?
No.
Queen, we can make that work. We should definitely shoot at my home studio. It's only a couple miles away. Would you be interested? No? When do you have time? That's too bad. You thirsty at all? I got tequila, beer, wine. We should definitely shoot at my studio someday. I think you'd look real sexy. Maybe? All right. Challenge accepted. We should definitely hang out. You haven't eaten today though, have you? So you need to eat. I cannot tell.
Well, thanks.
You're welcome. Sorry.
All right, let's get to work. All right, looking good, looking good. All right, give it to me, girl. All right. Actually, you got some. I got it. I wasn't ready for that.
All right, who's next? Who's next? What is your name?
Shane.
Shane, that's a weird name. Darling, why are you here today?
Well, I just want
A lot of people love my work. You're just one of many. So New York City is where it's at. All of my photography is in New York City. That's where I'm based. I've lived there my whole life. I've been a photographer for 20 years. I've shot for the most prestigious magazine. Everyone knows that they're gonna get the best quality from me. We wanna see you in a different light. So I've got a vision. So I think we've gotta take these clothes off. You're wearing way too much, sweetheart. If you wanna make it big, these are the shots you're gonna want. So go ahead, just go ahead and start taking these clothes off. I can't even believe I'm shooting this girl. I've never shot somebody with so many clothes on. Well, you're gonna learn the hard way because, sweetheart, this is the industry. This is how it works. Okay. All right, we're getting there. We're not there yet. Give me this.
Nice. Mm-hmm. The camera loves you. This lighting is really bringing out your eyes. There it is. Yes. Wow. Just like that, baby. Just like that. Yep. And we're done here.
If you wanna come in, you'll have to stretch my skin.